Good morning, everyone. This morning I woke up. I give grateful to God that He has always been there for me. He has always provided for me. And this morning I woke up because I'm still sticking with my diet. I have to commit myself because I've made a promise to myself in order to stay fit and healthy, to become a successful entrepreneur, and to believe in yourself. Like today, this morning, I looked in the mirror. I've been following Wesley's courses, and I looked in the mirror and I said to myself, I believe in you. You're going to do a great job. You're going to be amazing, and you have a purpose. I trust you. Laudiaann Silvas, you are a millionaire. And I've been just actually speaking to myself, because if I don't have anybody else to support me, who's going to support me? Me, myself. So it's very important, guys, everyone, you all hear this. You got to talk to yourself. You got to support yourself. You got to encourage yourself, because you're the only one that can make a difference in this world. You are the only one that can make a change. This morning I am juicing, and I've already got it prepared. So I am going to juice. I actually put strawberries, spinach, coleslaw. I had a bag of coleslaw. Usually I coleslaw mix. I usually, when I use the coleslaw, I usually mix it up with mayonnaise, and I put a little bit of tuna. I try to eat low carbs, okay? That's how I lost all my weight, and that's how I became diabetic free. All right, I haven't been eating right, as honestly with you guys, but I'm at the borderline now. So once I start to eat right, once I start to actually get fit and start exercising, I'm going to do some stretches after this. But I've been listening to Wesley's videos this morning, his overnight videos, the courses, and it's, guys, it's amazing. It will transform your life. If you haven't got his course, there's a link below. Look at the link, click on that link, and get his course. It's going to actually improve everything, who you are. You're going to see who you are, and you're actually going to believe in yourself, and then you're also going to see that you can do more in life. You have a purpose. Yes, you have a plan. Okay, guys, and God is giving you gifts. So, and my gifts has always been into music. One day I'm going to spend more time with my music. God has given me crafts to be able to crochet and teach. God's going to give me more time to do that, and I'm going to be able to quit my 9-to-5 job as a CNA. That's not actually my real gift. So my real gift is actually creating wealth online. I love making YouTube channels. I love making videos just like this. Get started, guys. Don't be ashamed of yourself. Believe in yourself, okay? All right, here we go. Let's juice. I have to lock it in place. Okay, here we go. I'll talk to you soon.